Coming up, I will discuss 3 harsh truths about digital marketing that you don't want to hear, but you need to. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. Remote working accelerated digital marketing 3 to 5 years and made sure that digital is part of everyone's marketing efforts. There are 3 harsh truths about digital marketing that you should get used to. They are here to stay. Let's dive in. Number 1, online demos are a must-have. Online demos are now a need-to-have, not a nice-to-have. Brands realized they had a more difficult time selling if they didn't have an online demo of their products. They realized that they must have an amazing visual experience to sell. For example, take a brick company. Bricks are a very tangible product. You can sell them without touching them and seeing them in action. You need to see how the bricks look in an environment without coming to a shop. An excellent online demo helps your prospects understand how your product solves their pain points. It allows the buyer to see and feel things and how they will be before they buy. The best online demos don't just give a tour of the features and functions of the product. They tell the buyer story with the product playing a star role. Number 2, a sales-free sales experience is critical. The second brutal truth about digital marketing is creating a sales-free sales experience. Gartner, one of the world's leading research and advisory companies, says 33% of all buyers want a seller-free sales experience. With millennials, it rises to 44%. As baby boomers retire and millennials mature into key decision-making positions, a digital-first buying posture will become the norm. As customers increasingly learn and buy digitally, sales reps become just one of the many possible sales channels. Because of this, sales organizations must be able to sell to customers everywhere. The customer expects to engage, interact, and transact with suppliers, said Christina Gomez, Managing Vice President at Gartner. The buying experience that buyers really want is to make a purchase with no salesperson talking to you. When you walk into a physical store, you often get, "How can I help you?" from a salesperson. In most cases, people would say no to that gesture and then approach that person if they needed another size, color, or didn't find what they wanted. With the global pandemic, the seller-free experience has increased with self-scheduling calendar appointments, online calculators, and self-assessments. Take, for example, HomeLight, a real estate referral company based in San Francisco, California. You just answer a few questions and then they'll provide you a side-by-side comparison of your options personalized for your needs. This company shows you how easy it is to obtain a free assessment of what verified buyers will pay for your house. This company uses the web as a digital marketing medium to sell its products. This trend is giving power to the customers, and that's the buying experience that they come to expect from brands. Number 3, buyers want to take real-time actions on your website. Your website homepage is like a storefront window that has become an important part of the buyer process. Buyers are more impatient because of the global pandemic because they are now more aware of their digital options. They want a company's website to answer their questions. They want everything on demand and in real time, and that starts and ends with your website. If they want to talk to a sales rep, they can chat online. To get a quote, they want it instantly in their email. If they want to buy a product, they want it delivered in a couple of days to their doorstep. The website has become more of a hub for the buying process and now makes or breaks the sales process. If your website is not top-notch, they will leave to visit another website. Is every action your buyers would like to take during the buying process available on your website? Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Your buyers are more impatient and more digital today. Is your company reacting quickly enough to handle today's buyers? Buyers want everything in real time. They want online demos. They want a sales-free sales experience, and buyers want to take real-time actions on your website. Are you making it easy for your buyers to buy from you? Sell people the way they want to buy, not the way you are set up internally. These 3 harsh truths about digital marketing are here to stay, and they are becoming the new normal. Thank you for watching. Until next time.